Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the window power, rear sliding seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 45-36 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, interior plus package, convenience package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, switch, high idle, rear vision camera, LPO, all-weather floor mats, LPO, front and rear molded splash guards in the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.